Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another quarantine vlog. My days have just been basically the same for the past 2 months, but today something exciting is happening, so I thought I would bring you guys along. This is the excitement. We got new furniture because I literally hate this area. I hate it so much. I'm so excited! We ordered furniture from Anthropology. Last night we did a Target run and got some pillows. We'll see if they look good. We don't know for sure. This is the current situation. I can't decide if I want to move this stool over here or the chair in the corner. So I think I'm gonna mess around with a couple more options. I just moved the chair and I hate it. I'm gonna put it back. So I decided to put it back in this spot and I think I'm gonna leave it here. I think it's really cute. The second piece of furniture we got is this bench. And we got it because the window's a little bit too high and Remy really likes to look out the window. I love the details on the side. I just changed my outfit again into this outfit. Just some comfy biker shorts just because I just want to chill and I have to take down all the boxes and take my picture. Taking a little break from unpacking the stuff. And I gotta break down the boxes, but we went out and took a picture and then he's gonna go back to work.
I need a haircut. Please help.
But seriously, how cute does that little bench look? I love it. Remy's gonna like it. Just chilling on my new bench. I could really use a coffee, maybe a book, and my puppy, and that would make everything perfect. Now it's time to break down the boxes. And I also don't know if I can get out of here. Ouch. This is a really bad idea. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Remy just got home from daycare, but he's scared of this chair. Remy, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I really need to clean my closet. It's a disaster after my TikTok. All clean. Now I have to get ready to go work out. Ready to go on my run. Wish me luck because I haven't been on a run in quite a few days. So I have no idea how this is gonna go, but we'll try. Tonight for dinner, I'm making one of our favorite salads, and it's super easy, super fast, and extremely healthy. The dill is the best part, for sure. Now it's time to make the dressing. Feta is our favorite, so we always get the giant one from Costco. And we usually do a pretty heavy pour. And here is the finished salad. Now it's time to sit on the couch, eat our salads, and watch Gossip Girl before going to bed. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for watching.